Innovation is happening right under our noses no matter where we are in the world. Let's take a look at some groundbreaking technologies in development around the globe. First, we travel to upstate New York for some engineering ingenuity that's sure to float your boat. Researchers at the University of Rochester have developed a metal that's literally unsinkable. It's made up of two thin metal plates that have nano-sized patterns etched onto them using special lasers. These designs trap air molecules between the two sheets, making the metal extremely water repellent. When the metal is pushed down into the water, the trapped air keeps water out and forces the metal back to the surface. The researchers hope this technique can be used to build ships and life jackets that float even after they're ruptured. The technology could one day save countless lives at sea. Next, we move to Mexico for an eco-friendly fashion trend making waves. You're looking at 100% vegan leather. Yes, you heard that right. It's made from the leaves of the nopal cactus, which is abundant in Mexico and requires no water to grow. The cactus leather is soft and comfortable, yet durable enough to stand up to the wear and tear of everyday life. And most importantly, it's biodegradable and free of the harmful chemicals found in leathers made from animals or plastics. That makes it an environmentally sound choice for eco-conscious consumers. Cactus leather is already being used to create clothing, furniture, and even car interiors. Who would have thought such an untouchable plant would eventually become a fashion trendsetter? And lastly, we land in Ireland for a new addition to elderly care. This chatty character's mission is to socialize with seniors living in retirement homes. Stevie uses sensors and artificial intelligence to interact with residents who might not get enough FaceTime with staff or their peers. The robot is versatile enough to carry one-on-one conversations and play games like bingo with larger groups. Its human-like features such as facial expressions and arm movements also help make it more relatable to elderly residents. Stevie buzzes around on four wheels, so it's able to reach out to residents with mobility issues. The robot has been a smash hit at its first few retirement homes, and the hope is to soon bring the technology to communities everywhere. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.